Meaning of incinerator.
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 Incinerator. An incinerator is a device used to burn waste materials at high temperatures until they are reduced to ash and gases. This process is known as incineration. Incinerators are typically used for the disposal of hazardous or medical waste, but they can also be used for other types of waste, such as municipal solid waste. The result of incineration is that the waste is converted into a much smaller and more concentrated amount of ash and gases, which can then be safely disposed of. However, incineration also produces air pollution and requires careful regulation to prevent harm to the environment and public health.